Are your Zoho Books PDFs looking bland and unprofessional? Learn to create a custom template in under 3 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click to customize every detail, from paper size to background image. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then click the Settings icon in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, select PDF Templates. Now, click the New button to create a new template. Choose a template type from the list and click Use This. Then select your preferred language and click Use This again. Pick a paper size for your template. Decide whether it should be portrait or landscape. Now, select the font you'd like to use. Then, choose the font color from the color picker. Type in the desired font size. Next, click on Background to open background options. Customize the background color or pattern as you like. If you want, you can upload a background image here. Once everything looks good, click Save to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.